wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. To add some excitement to the mix, the Air Hogs Extreme Airboard features a small figure that rides on it, which makes for fun play. It also transforms from a stunt board into a paraglider that can perform different missions. It comes with 4 replacement rotors, which is good because it doesn't stand up to crash as well, and its battery life is shorter than others. At number 9, if your child doesn't yet have the skill to pilot a quadcopter using a remote, the Force One Scoot 2 might be a smart alternative. All it takes is simple hand gestures to direct its flight, and it's launched by simply throwing it into the air. It hovers in place automatically, but note that it is only intended for indoor use, and it can't perform aerial stunts. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Holystone HS210 offers a headless flight mode that makes it easy for new pilots to maneuver, as well as an altitude hold function, so children can take their fingers off the joysticks momentarily and it won't come crashing to the ground. It provides audible and visual low-power alerts and is equipped with an emergency stop button. However, it struggles in wind. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the snaptain HA23H comes with 3 batteries that together provide over 21 minutes of flying time. It can perform cool aerial stunts at the touch of a button, and its propellers are surrounded by cages to help prevent injury to little fingers. The tiny remote fits well in small hands, and it includes an LED directional indicator, but the trim needs regular adjustments. Moving up our list to number 6. With the snaptain SP300, you're not limited by a traditional remote, though it has one of those too. Instead, it allows you to control it by moving your arm around when wearing the included G-sensor-equipped watch, or by simply waving your hand in front of it. It features a throw-to-launch function and an obstacle avoidance system, and is covered in bright LEDs. Halfway up our list at number 5. Children are notorious for getting bored with some toys quickly, but thanks to a 2-in-1 configuration, the Air Hogs Hyperdrift shouldn't be one of them. It combines a flying drone with a ground racer. It charges fully in just 30 minutes and is a self-righting design. It's easy for novices to control. At number 4, the UDI U818A HD offers many of the same features as more expensive adult-oriented models, including live streaming from its 2-megapixel camera, a 1-button return to home, and a 6-axis gyroscope for stability. Its relatively large size makes it good for outdoor use. It's equipped with responsive controls, accelerates quickly, and can record video at 30 frames per second. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Star Trek fans will love the Air Hogs u.s.s Enterprise because it looks just like the ship from the show and lights up and plays cool realistic sound effects. It can handle occasional crash landings surprisingly well too. It comes with a display stand and features a 200-foot control range and of course a warp speed mode. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to a 1-button takeoff, a headless flight mode, and an altitude hold feature, the Syma X100 is easy for children to pilot. It's equipped with an infrared obstacle avoidance system too, to reduce the chance of a crash. It includes safely enclosed rotors and a spare battery, and it can perform aerial stunts. And coming in at number 1 on our list, despite being small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the Potensic A20W offers some cool functionality, like the ability to draw a flight path in its companion app, or tilt a connected smartphone to make it fly in a certain direction. It allows for 3-speed settings and real-time video transmission, and boasts an out-of-range alarm. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Drones, or simply click beneath this video.